We'll guide you through how to generate creative photo ideas using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a text input box where you can start a conversation with ChatGPT. To generate photo ideas, simply type a prompt that describes the kind of photos you're interested in. For example, you can type, "Give me ideas for landscape photography with a winter theme," or suggest some creative portrait photo concepts. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will provide you with a list of ideas based on your prompt. You can refine your ideas further by asking more specific questions or adding more details to your prompt like, "Can you give me ideas for a photo shoot with natural lighting?" or suggest some unique props for a beach photo shoot? If you're looking for more inspiration, try asking for ideas in different styles or themes such as vintage, abstract, or minimalist. ChatGPT can also help you with technical aspects by suggesting camera settings or lighting techniques if you ask for them. Remember to save any ideas you like by copying them into a document or taking a screenshot so you can refer back to them later. This way, you'll have a collection of creative concepts ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.